polishing special rocks I found in the backyard. Thinking with my grandpa one day. So let's get started. So the first step is you want to do, well, you see all these rocks here. Let me move this one out of the way because it's a fossil T-Rex tooth I found. Move that away. And then we're going to be polishing these two. And this is a little seashell I just kept in my giant box. So be ready. You want to cut the polish. You want to buy this polisher with sand, sandpaper. You want to cut it. Then you want to take a rock, which this one I found on my own one day, and this is one where I found the T-Rex fossil. You want to start with a nice clean rock. So I'm going to do the one that I found. Then you're going to take this, do it, and rub it. And this is all dust. See, it's not that shiny. Then it's going to be shiny at the end of this video. It's going to be all shiny. All dirty and all shiny. Okay, so the next step you're going to want to have soapy water with a toothbrush. So now we're scrubbing this with soapy water and a toothbrush to get all the dirt off. You want to get all the dirt out of all the little holes. Scrub. Now we're going to put in the water so all the soap gets off and the dirt that was, getting scrubbed gets off. Then you're going to put on this towel and let it dry overnight. This one too because that was pat. So now that we left overnight to get all dry, now we're going to do a little cheat way. Since we don't have the machine, we only have the sandpaper. We're gonna put some oil and rub it on the rocks so that they're all shiny. And we're going to rub the other ones with this paper towel to get them all shined up. Okay guys, see, they're all shiny. I'm going to put them down so you can get a better look at them. Thank you for watching.